Hi guys, Cynthia here, and today, I want to show you the few bits of gardening items that I got for Christmas this year and just tell you what my plans are. So the first thing that I want to show you that I'm really excited about, I got two of these Vego water digital things. What are they? Yeah, the Vego digital water timers. And this is going to allow me to add irrigation to my house, which I'm really excited about. I currently do not have any irrigation at all, so I really need it. Between like having to do oyas and watering my garden, not by hand because I have the garden grids, to have to do around the house is like no good. So I'm really excited about this. So it comes with a booklet and it just tells you how to use everything, which is quite nice. And this is it essentially. So you just hook this up to your hose bib and then, to your hose bib, whatever, the watering thing that connects out of your home. And then this will connect to your hose and then the other one will connect to your watering tubes. So I wanted two of these because I'm going to, all the way around my house I need watering. So I think I'm gonna put one in the back and one in the front. And then we'll work together. I've never done irrigation myself, but I'm really excited and I think that I can do it. So we're gonna do that together this year. And I'm really excited because it's going to just relieve a lot of pressure off me. I always get really nervous, especially like if we ever go anywhere for, any more than 3 days, I'm like panicking. I can my big garden or my vegetable garden has oyas, and so it kind of like if I give it a really deep soaking right before I leave and fill my oyas, I know I have a good 5 to 6 days with that. But around my house, a lot of the times like my hydrangeas don't look so good because they kind of dry out if I'm not here to water them. So I'm really excited about that. My little sister got me those, so I was like really happy. And I believe she got them for the Black Friday sale. So they were, cheaper than they normally are, which is really nice. Another thing that I got, and I will link these below. I'll link everything that I got down below. But I got these off Amazon, and I needed a new pair of like gardening boots. You guys know I have those pink ones. Those were Sperry's, and they're really old. And right now, because I've used them so much, like water gets through them, which is not good. And so I wanted something that I could wear even in the summertime, that is just good for gardening. And I just want to show you, I got these really cute muck boots. They're super comfortable, easy to get on. What I like about them too is like if you have a wide calf or anything like that, these are going to be your friend. I do have a wide calf, and so I have to kind of think about what kind of boots that I use. Like I really like, I can't remember the brand, but there's like this brand that everybody wears and I really like them. But if I don't get the ankle ones, I can't put them over. But these fit, and they're also like made of fabric, so they stretch really well. So if you do have a bigger calf, but on top of that, and these come in all different colors and different patterns, you can flip this. It's a lot easier when you have them on foot to flip this down, and look at that. It becomes like a cute little booty, and it's got this cute little flowering, like print. And I think these were like $40 or something like that. Also purchased for Black Friday, but I will definitely link them below, and they come in all different colors. And I have sized up because I wanted it to just like slide in really easy. I don't want to have to like mess around, when you want to go in and out of your garden, or if you've been gardening and it's like muddy out, you want to be able to like slip these off when you're coming in really quickly and have to, and easily put them back on. So I have sized up and they fit perfectly fine, but I'm really excited about these. This is probably my favorite item that I got, only because you guys remember when I was working on the rose garden, it was raining, my feet were wet every single time, even with those boots on. So that's when I realized that I had a hole, or like there was something wrong with, I did have them for a long time too, so I'm sure that didn't help. And another thing that I actually asked for, sorry about that, so I'm in the basement, obviously you guys can see that, but I have to stop when the broiler comes on because it is so loud, and I just ordered a new microphone and it's not going to be here to the end of the week. So I need to make sure that you can hear me properly. So that's why I had to stop. But the last thing that I actually asked for Christmas was some more gardening grids. So I'm going to show you guys that. I asked for 3 particular garden grids. I asked for 2x3, is it 2x3? Yeah, 2x3s because of the 2 new garden beds that I made. So you can see here, I got that, which I'm so excited about this. And then I asked for another 2x4 because, oh God, because I did not have, ooh, I just dropped the phone. I did not have a, what's it called? One for my other garden bed. You guys remember that I didn't have one? I don't know if I told you I didn't have one, but the 2 garden beds that I have in the back of my garden, not the 2x6s, but the 2x4s, I had one garden bed that did not have one of these gardening grids, and it was quite a pain. So this is what I asked for. And again, a lot of the things I sent to my family with the Black Friday links. So this is what's really cool about these. So you get a garden grid and you get this, and this is what is going to connect. Oops, I just dropped something. This is what's going to connect to here. And this connects to your hose, or if you have irrigation, this is what connects to that. It's super simple. It comes already set up, which is why I love these so much. And I'm really excited. These are so cute, the little ones, you guys. So yeah, so I was really happy about that. I do have to purchase another one for my vegetable garden bed. I didn't ask for that because it was, that bed is like what, a 3x6, and they're kind of like pricey, you know, like I didn't want to like ask my family for a really large garden grid. So I am going to purchase that one myself. And I'm sure they're going to have like sales here soon. They always do. So I'm going to wait till I see a sale, but I'm definitely going to get it before the spring because I want to put everything on not irrigation, but an easier way to water. I also decided that I'm going to put or get like soaker hoses for, I have like a tree garden that I'm going to show you that I'm going to extend this year. And I also have the garden between my neighbor and myself that I'm going to put a soaker hose. I just want to have everything be a little bit easier. The standing, you know, for hours doing this at every root ball and not knowing if you soaked it enough is just not in the cards for me this year. So we're going to work on a lot of irrigation this year. So it's the first time I've ever done anything like that. Soaker hoses are pretty easy. You kind of put them down and they kind of like do whatever once you hook them up. But the irrigation part is kind of hard. Now, my surprise garden gift, let me show you. So I was kind of surprised that, you know, I got these gifts because I didn't ask for them. And Mark was like, you didn't ask for very much. And he wanted to, you know, get me something that I would use. So he ordered from Sonoma. Now, I did not know that they had gardening things. Did you guys know they had gardening things? I had no idea. Let me open these up first. All right, so these are all the tools I got. Now, this one is called, what is this one? This one is an angle weeder, which is quite nice, kind of sharp. You gotta be careful with that. You can see that there, but it's gonna be nice because even if I don't like weed with it, I could also just like, you know, cut stalks of something like a tomato stalk or like a head of lettuce or whatever. It's really nice. I did not know Sonoma made any kind of tools at all. So this is for the right hand. It is serrated edge cuts through roots and all that other stuff. So you can see it's got like a little, you know, digger so you can get any of the roots out for weeds. I got another cultivator, which I have, what is this? No, a round tin fork. Round tine fork, I don't know, but this is super like heavy, which I really like. This is going to be nice. This is effectively weeds and cultivates the soil around plants. Premium stainless steel blade for years of use is what it says. It's got, oh, these are solid birch handles. I didn't know that. Quite nice. So these are solid birch handles. And the next thing is a soil scooper, which I don't have, so I'm happy about that. Look at this. It's huge. I do not have a soil scooper. I do like that it's got like a rigid edge, so it almost looks like you can kind of dig something out too. But this is really nice, and I'm really excited because then I can put this in my, what is it called? Greenhouse, and I'll have like really pretty tools. So this says, ideal for digging, weeding, and making seed furrows. Oh, nice. Scoop sharp edges, transfer soil from holes, pots, containers. Very nice. Serrated edge cuts through roots as well. Potting, soil bags. Oh, that's really cool. So you can use it to like, oh, that's awesome. And then lastly, these pruning shears, which are super like heavy and actually really, really beautiful. Whoa. So, I mean, look at how pretty they are. I did not know Williams-Sonoma made anything like this. So let's read a little bit about these pruners. It says, used for maintaining healthy plants and gardening, craft for clean, effective pruning, cut, crossblade, it says durable, rust-resistant metal, hand clean only, do not use on hard objects or materials, store in dry area. So these are the garden goodies that I got. Let me know if you guys got any, or if you asked for any. So this is basically how I get a lot of my garden stuff. I ask for it for birthdays, holidays, all the things, so that, you know, it doesn't come out of my pocket and it's not like, you know, all at once. So I'm really, really happy. I'm super excited about these watering grids. You have no idea. Last year and the year, anytime you can use a garden grid, it makes life so much easier to just be able to hook up your hose and let it soak in. You set your, you know, alarm clock when you want to shut it off, and everything had a wonderful soak. So I'm really, really happy about those. I think that's my favorite gift. I don't want to say that, because I really wanted the boots and I really, really wanted the watering timer. And then all of these tools are just so, so beautiful. I love Williams-Sonoma. Like, I love shopping there for my kitchen stuff. So it was really neat. And that's why Mark bought me these things. He was like, you love Williams-Sonoma. So when I found out they had tools, I ordered them and I was like, wow. It was quite a nice surprise. You know, it's nice to get something that is not expected. And these are so, so pretty. And they're going to look really nice in the greenhouse and be super helpful. I mean, weeding and all the other things, right, that these can do. So I'm going to leave the video here. Tomorrow's video, we're going to be outside. I'm going to talk you through what my plans are. And yeah, I'm really happy with all of my Christmas things. I will link everything below. And let me know if you guys got anything for your garden. Anyway, I'm going to leave the video here. If you like the video, please like it. If you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you. And remember, if you didn't get it done today, there is always tomorrow. Thanks for watching.